Alex, tell me what you think about your first tree climb.
Hi.
What am I doing here?
Having fun. That's what I'm doing here.
Here, first way to relax, put your arm.
She's already has quite a number of pictures on this website.
This way more. You should become a tree climber. You should become a canopy researcher. You're too natural.
I would love to.
What she needs to do is find some really big trees in upstate New York.
You're thinking what I'm thinking.
There probably are some.
I could probably even survive up there maybe in September.
Yeah, that's the best time. It's beautiful.
Joe and I have taken a trip across the island, and we're now at the mouth of the Mimi-Timby River, and we've heard a rumor that there were some new caves found around this area. So we've got an indigenous fellow, a Nobe Indian, Enrique Dixon Sr. here with us today, and we're going to see if we can find these caves and do a little cave exploring.
Real far.
Alright, cave number 1. Cave number 1 wasn't too good, but now we're at cave number 2, looking a little more promising. So we're cruising along the shoreline of Isla Colon here, near the mouth of the Mimi-Timby River, and we've stumbled up on some little coastal slot canyons, and very muddy in the bottom here, but pretty cool to explore. And we keep on traveling through here and hopefully find some caves along the way. This is a Dendrobates, or a poison dart frog. Cute little guy. Don't eat him though. We found a nice lime rock or fossil stone ledge, and we're going to follow this along, see if we can't find any openings or entrances to any caves along here. Looks like it's got really good potential. And this is what we're looking for. Right over here. A big hole. Head over that way and see what we got.
This is one.
And here's another possibility. We're just walking around this rock now and locating all the entrances, but in just a few minutes, once we've satisfied ourselves that we found enough possibilities, we're going to go around and start to push a few of these holes. And yet another. And this one's got bats coming and going, so we're gonna go ahead and start pushing this one right now.
Este está bueno, Joe.
Okay, David.
Ew.
We got one hole back here to the left. Those are vampirum.
These are vampire bats.
Yes.
Vampiro. Ahí están, ¿eh?
There's hundreds and hundreds of them.
Yo, yeah.
Is it showing up?
Mm-hmm.
We have found another load of bats.
Bastante.
Okay.
Takes a little bit of nerve to just sit here. The ceiling of this cave is just literally alive with vampire bats. Awesome. But I haven't gotten bit yet, and that's a good thing.
That's 24 hours.
Walking through the woods here, you're always coming across big coral heads sticking up out of the ground. Evidence of prehistoric global warming. Alright, we're up to about the 8th or 9th cave now. And most of them have been pretty small and shallow, but still a lot of fun to poke around in. Definitely so far the cave full of vampire bats was the best, but this one's looking pretty cool too, so we're gonna head on in and see what we got here.
Bueno hueco. Ah, sí, ahí ya está bueno hueco. Uno cabe como. No se puede ir. No se puede ir sin luz.
Yet another one. Lots of karst around here. Little explored. Well, this is my last evening out here in Bocas del Drago, and it's been a really great trip. Some amazing experiences, and for all the folks out there that weren't able to make it on this year's tree climbing expedition, I wish you could have been here because it was really great, and hopefully some of the video I took will make you want to come out and experience Panama and Bocas del Drago. It's a really amazing place, and for the money spent, you just can't get a more incredible experience in tree climbing, in my opinion anyways. So, hopefully you'll be here next year. Hopefully I will too. Adios.